Great character design is more than just drawing a person. It's about creating a dynamic illustration that tells a story and conveys emotions and personality to a viewer, which is why expressive characters are a cornerstone of visual storytelling. Hi, I'm Isaiah Cardona, and I'm a senior art director and motion designer based in the US, with several years of experience working in advertising agencies. And in that time, I have become known for illustrating playful and dynamic characters used in animation, branding, and packaging. I've also taught several design and animation classes on Skillshare, which is why I want to share with you some design techniques that have been a game changer for me, including using shape language, playing with proportions, and experimenting with expressive features to draw characters that communicate personality and emotion. In this class, I'll show you how to use these methods and help you apply it to whatever character you want to draw, which will allow you to have fun with the illustration process. Throughout this class, you'll learn how to strengthen your visual storytelling skills, which is an important element of developing stronger illustration skills. Along the way, you'll get plenty of experience drawing character, figures, and facial features. This class is great if you're drawing for fun, and also very useful for designers, animators, illustrators, and children's book authors who want to create dynamic characters. And most importantly, these skills from this class is going to help you develop confidence in your illustration skills. For me, these skills haven't just improved my confidence, but boosted my imagination for all the character possibilities I could draw. Let's get started.